Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today, I'm here to talk about reporting. Again, I love talking about reporting as I feel reporting is really, really important. And sometimes during the business operation and marketing operations of your business, financial reports are something that can sometimes be ignored, but it should really be the financial reports that you look at least every month to make those important decisions of your business. When I talk reporting in bigger businesses, it'd be called board reports. In medium to small businesses, it's called management reports, but the essence and the information we get from the reports and the decisions we make from those reports are very, very similar. Is looking at profit and loss enough, or should you be looking at profit and loss along with some other reports? Should you be comparing it with the last year same time? Should you be comparing it with last month? There's lots of things to that little profit and loss report. Do you know who is your most profitable client, right? Do you categorize your clients into the best paying, least painful, and who brings that positive energy to your business? Do you do that? Do you know which project is most profitable? Do you know which product is most profitable? If you don't have answers to that questions backed up with the numbers, so sometimes I've spoken to some business owners and they say, yeah, that's most profitable, but when they look at the numbers, it's actually not, that's not right. So you want to have some good reporting system in your accounting software that can give you that information. Now, all the accounting softwares, most of them, especially the major ones, Xero, MYOB, they have custom reporting. Even QuickBooks have custom reporting. What you want to do is you want to spend your time, maximum 30 minutes, to know what reporting you want. Then either go create yourself and look at them each month, right? Or contact someone like us so we can set those custom reports up for you, train you how to use them ongoing. That way you don't have to rely on someone else to present those reports to you. Of course, to get the right reporting, bookkeeping needs to be right. So if you want to talk to us about reporting or bookkeeping, feel free to book a 15-minute catch-up meeting with myself, and would love to speak to you on how we can help you. Thank you. I hope you found that useful. Cheers.